In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Afterpay on Uber Eats, providing you a convenient way to enjoy your meals and spread your payments over time. Before we dive into the step-by-step guide, it's important to understand that Afterpay's collaboration with Uber Eats is not yet available everywhere. Currently, it is mostly accessible in regions such as Australia and New Zealand. Therefore, your first step is to check if Afterpay is available in your area. This is crucial because the process requires regional compatibility, and starting without confirmation might lead to unnecessary complications. Once you've confirmed that Afterpay is an option in your location, you'll want to move on to purchasing an Uber Eats gift card using Afterpay. Start by opening the Afterpay app on your smartphone. In the app, search for Uber Eats gift cards. Select the gift card that matches the amount you wish to spend. At checkout, choose Afterpay as your payment method. This enables you to pay for the gift card in manageable installments. After completing the purchase, you'll receive the gift card information, which you can then use within the Uber Eats app. With your gift card in hand, it's time to incorporate that balance into Uber Eats. Open the Uber Eats app and navigate to your payment options. This is where you'll add the gift card code to your account, thereby funding your Uber Eats wallet. Now, when you're placing your next order, simply select your Uber Eats wallet as your preferred payment method. This allows you to utilize the gift card balance to pay for your meal, spreading out the cost over time. Alternatively, if supported in your region, you can link your Afterpay card to digital wallets like Apple Pay or Google Pay. First, confirm whether your Afterpay card can indeed be added to one of these digital wallets. If it can, enter your Afterpay virtual card details into the wallet you choose. From there, you can seamlessly integrate this into your Uber Eats purchase. When you're ready to check out within the Uber Eats app, select Apple Pay or Google Pay as your payment option. Then choose your Afterpay card as the specific payment form. This provides yet another flexible option for how your payments can be structured. Finally, after setting up your payment method, confirm your order in the Uber Eats app. Your purchase will automatically be divided into installments, which you can easily manage and track through the Afterpay app. This setup not only offers flexibility, but can also help manage your expenses more effectively over time. Enjoy your meal with the added convenience of Afterpay's installment plan.